Okay guys, while I'm still cooking boiling my lechon kawali, I'm gonna start preparing now pan fried, my crispy pan fried rice noodles. Okay, first I will mix the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. After mixing it, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna I'm starting right now to fry the noodles, the rice noodles. Okay, I'm putting a few oil. It won't go around. Wait, I just get a paper towel to make it even, the oil even in the pan. Make sure when you're frying any kind noodles, you have to use the non-stick pan or non-stick skillet. Now I'm putting the rice noodles. I parboil it first, the rice noodles. Okay. Let's wait to fry it. Fry it 2 minutes. Let's wait to make it a little bit brown. Now let's see. Ooh, it's good now. So I'm flipping it over. Wow, look at that. A little bit brown and it's a little bit golden. Yeah, and it looks crispy. Now let's see. It's been 2 minutes already. Oh, now I take it out. Oh my God. See? It's crispy. Did you hear it? It's very crispy. So my crispy noodle is done. So I'm gonna start sauteing now the sauce. First, I'm gonna sear the thinly sliced pork. Just keep searing it. It smells good. I smell the crispy noodles. The one that I'm using is the white rice noodles. That's why it's not really brown. It's just a little bit golden. Now it's done. So I just put it on the side, the meat. So I pour the minced garlic. Now I mix it both and keep stirring it up. The next thing is I add the cauliflower. Next is the low sodium chicken broth. I add more, a little bit more. Wait. Now I'm adding the mix liquid. Okay, stir it up. La la la, stir it up. Stir it up. Next is I'm gonna add the sugar. A little bit sugar. Then next is the carrots. And then the hoisin sauce. A little bit hoisin sauce. And the, the Shaoxing wine. Add a little bit Shaoxing wine. And then stir it up. The smell of the sunshine wine is so good. Wow. I love it. Next is the cabbage. I add the cabbage. I add the baby bok choy. The baby bok choy. And then the bean sprout. I add the bean sprout. And the next is I'm gonna add the chili oil to give it a kick, a little bit spicy kick that makes the noodles taste good. Now I'm adding the slurry, the mixed cornstarch and water to give it a glossy look on the veggies, and to make it thicken a little bit. Now it's done. My food is cooked already. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm gonna add sesame oil, a little bit sesame oil, and done. Now, wow, did you hear that? It's crispy. Now I'm preparing now. I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it on the half, and then on the other I'm cutting it so it's easy for them to Now I'm getting the veggies. Okay, I'm setting it up now. Look at that. Smells so delicious. I smell the sesame oil and the Shaoxing wine that mix in and the oyster sauce. Oh my god, it's really awesome. So almost done. I dropped the The other one, add the other piece, okay. Okay. Now, I'm putting the sauce. The glossy sauce. Wow. Now it's done. It's ready to serve. Wow, it's ready to serve. See, my crispy pan-fried rice noodles. My God, it's so crispy, the noodles, and ooh, and smells so yummy. It's gonna be happy in the tummy again for my family. My crispy pan-fried rice noodles. Wow, so yummy. Thank you guys for watching me. The joy of the Lord is our strength. Nehemiah 8:10. And nothing is impossible with God. Luke 1:37. Happiness is the key of a happy living and happy life. Thank you. See you on my next cooking. Thanks. God bless everyone. Be safe.